Usually I start my morning with coffee, milk and sugar. But today is not going to be the same. दीदी मेरे लिए कॉफ़ी बना देना.
भाई ऐसा कर डालो.
नहीं शक्कर नहीं डालना. शक्कर नहीं डालना boy.
Day 1 of no sugar challenge, and I'm feeling quite okay right now. I'm not so bothered by the sugar aspect of things because I've realized that I in general don't eat a lot of sugar.
I'm so excited to go to the grocery store right now because all I have at my house is just sugar. Like every single item that I have has sugar in it, and I realized that I can't eat any of this.
Let's talk about the science of what sugar does to your body. Sugar ना तुम्हारे ब्रेन के लिए एक छोटा सा डोपामीन बटन है. मतलब एक बाइट छोटी सी चॉकलेट का और तुम्हें इंस्टेंट खुशी मिलेगी. वैसे ही जैसे तुम्हारे इंस्टाग्राम पे 1000 लाइक्स एक साथ आ गए हो. बट प्रॉब्लम ये है कि दिस हैप्पीनेस ना इज वेरी शॉर्ट लिव्ड. Within 30 minutes ना तुम्हें शुगर का क्रैश फील होगा, and that will mean that you're feeling tired, you're feeling low on energy, and you're just not into it. And as the sugar rush fades away, your craving for sugar increases even more. Basically शुगर का सिस्टम ऐसा है कि वो तुमको 30 मिनट के लिए हीरो बनाता है और उसके बाद जीरो. और यहाँ मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि अब 5 दिन के लिए ये रोलर कोस्टर राइड मैं कैसे सर्वाइव करूंगा.
No coffee with milk and sugar. And it's not so bad actually. I like black coffee. What I'm really kind of interested in knowing is how will this affect my energy levels at the gym, because I know that I like a little honey stick before the gym, but honey is natural sugar, so I can't take a honey stick, which means that I'm gonna have to shift to resin, which we all know is quite unpleasant, but if it has to be done, it has to be done. I'm excited to see how that goes. Just woke up feeling not so bad actually. I don't really have a lot of sugar, so I guess this is not so bad. But now today I'm gonna have to like replace a lot of things that I eat that have sugar in them with things that don't have sugar in them.
You know what people do when they need new food? They go to the grocery store. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm so excited to go to the grocery store. नहीं मेरे सामने आ जाना भाई, सामने आ जा मेरे. पार्क में चल रहा है.
Day 2 of the no sugar challenge. Well, we're at day 2 और अभी दिमाग थोड़ा heavy लग रहा है. A slight headache, थोड़ा irritability. I'm snapping at people at work, and also I can feel that little craving for sugar now start to come up because I always keep thinking that biscuit का packet खोल दूँ क्या? All of this is sugar. Well, the science does suggest that sugar opens up your brain's reward pathway. Exactly how addictive substances do. मतलब आप जैसे ही शुगर कट करते हो आपका ब्रेन ना प्रोटेस्ट करने लगता है. Your brain is literally telling you भाई मुझे मेरा फिक्स दे दे. That's why your body starts to exhibit signs of withdrawal symptoms. For example, mood swings, tiredness, weakness, headaches, nausea sometimes. तो भाई अगर आज मैं तुम पे स्नैप कर जाऊँ ना तो just blame the sugar, not me.
मुझे शुगर फ्री चॉकलेट चाहिए. शुगर फ्री चॉकलेट. Sugar no sugar. Oh, bad. That's the stuff.
Cookies मिलेगा आपको.
Cookies? Oh, cookies work. Yeah, cookies.
Does this have sugar in it? Yeah, 0.5 grams of sugar in it. Everything has sugar in it, bro. Everything has sugar. 0.00 sugar, bro. Actually, that's too much. Let's not get so much junk food just because it doesn't have. Methi puri, dog.
यार इसमें से कुछ में भी शुगर हो ना मेरे को बता देना. ये शुगर नहीं होना चाहिए. Today I'm feeling it. I have a bit of a headache and my energy levels are a bit wobbly. But yeah, I guess this was the challenge, right? And I really want to know how I'm going to feel the rest of the day. I woke up with a slight headache and a little bit irritability. But yeah, let's see, gotta get ready for office now. Let's see how that goes.
आज मूड थोड़ा बेटर लग रहा है और इसका रीजन सिंपल है. नॉर्मली जब तुम शुगर खाते हो ग्लूकोज स्पाइक होता है और इंसुलिन आता है उसको सेल्स में भेजने. पर जब तुम शुगर ओवरलोड करते हो तुम्हारे स्पाइक्स वाइल्ड हो जाते हैं एंड यू बेसिकली गो ऑन एन एनर्जी रोलर कोस्टर. नाउ विदाउट शुगर एनर्जी स्पाइक्स काफी स्मूथ हो गए. अब मेरी बॉडी ने रियलाइज कर लिया कि भाई इन द शॉर्ट टर्म कोई गुलाब जामुन नहीं आने वाला.
Am I being extremely stupid right now by asking such a question? Does cheese have sugar in it? Oh shit, it does. Cheese has sugar in it, bro. It has 1.5 grams of sugar in this whole packet, dog.
Oh really?
That's actually crazy, bro. Cheese has sugar in it. That's the more you know. Cheese has sugar in it. Don't get cheese, guys. Now I need sugar-free cheese. I need sugar-free cheese. We can have this. It makes sense.
Zero sugar ice cream.
But does zero added sugar still mean zero sugar? Oh yeah, sweeteners. But does sweeteners count as sugars?
Artificial sugar, yeah. So that is sugar. How I'm feeling today, and it's actually not that bad. You know, I thought that today would be the worst day out of all, but I think now today is when the insulin levels are, you know, stabilizing. You know, एक stability के साथ सुकून आता है. You need that सुकून in life, and that is why you should quit sugar.
Now here's the scene on day 4. थोड़ा gross सा लगता है, but sugar ना तुम्हारे gut bacteria को बर्बाद कर देती है. High sugar is bad bacteria का rave party. And good sugar बोलती है कि bro, this is not my scene, bro. Like, this is not my scene right now, bro. Like, I want to go to like a different club, bro. So the good bacteria just dips to like a different club, and the bad bacteria is doing a party in your stomach. मतलब तुम्हारा गट माइक्रोबायोम ऑफ बैलेंस हो जाता है और इसका डायरेक्ट इफेक्ट तुम्हारे मूड पे होता है. इसलिए बोला जाता है दैट योर गट इज लाइक योर सेकंड ब्रेन. आज जब शुगर कट हो चुकी है और गट बैक्टीरिया चिल है, शायद इसीलिए मेरा मूड भी आज मच बेटर है. बेसिकली बाय कटिंग आउट शुगर एंड नॉट गिविंग योर ब्रेन व्हाट इट वांट्स इंस्टेंटली, यू आर इन फैक्ट इंप्रूविंग योर मेंटल हेल्थ. So we're on the last day, and अब थोड़ा bigger picture देखते हैं. I'm gonna have a piece of chocolate or cake, tiramisu, cheesecake.
I have completed the no sugar challenge for 5 days, and I'm feeling great. I feel so accomplished. I don't know why. It was only 5 days of no sugar, but I feel so accomplished. And you know what? My skin feels better. My mood feels better. My cat keeps meowing.
जब तुम शुगर कट करते हो फॉर अ लॉन्ग टर्म, तब 3 चीजें इंप्रूव होती है. नंबर 1, स्किन क्लियर हो जाती है बिकॉज शुगर इंक्रीजेस इन्फ्लेमेशन. नंबर 2, एनर्जी कंसिस्टेंट हो जाती है विदाउट द हाइज एंड लोज. एंड नंबर 3, क्रेविंग्स गो डाउन, मतलब तुम शुगर के गुलाम बन के नहीं रह जाते. अब भाई मुझे पता है तुम मेरे ये 5 दिन देख के तो शुगर क्विट नहीं करने वाले, बट सोच लो, शुगर इज बेसिकली दैट टॉक्सिक एक्स. छोड़ना टफ है, विड्रॉल भी पेनफुल है, बट वंस यू आर फ्री, जिंदगी लिटरली बेटर हो जाती है. सो आई गेस यू कैन से इज द बेटर ऑल्टरनेटिव. और डूड, it was right there. I had to do it. Come on, don't unsubscribe. Don't unsubscribe, okay? Please like and comment right now. Abhi ke abhi kar do if you like my joke, and if you don't, still do it because you and I are friends now. Now it's time to end my no sugar challenge, and I want you all to comment below what your favorite dessert is. As always, I'm Anuj, your friendly neighborhood gym bro, and please subscribe to Better All for more such videos because we're going to be doing a lot of cool things, and I hope to catch you soon on the next one. Peace.
Coffee has now become like a very staple thing for me. Black coffee is a godsend. Oh, don't say that, bro. Don't say that. We're gonna do a 5-day no caffeine challenge. I think Kanika just wants to torture me, bro. Like, she's just straight up like giving me all these challenges where I'm canning sugar, I'm canning caffeine. I guess you can call her Kanika. Don't put that in. Don't put that in.